Over the years, we've found that you don't need to spend loads of money on products that have a camping, motorhome or campervan sticker on them. So here we are at everyone's favourite Swedish home store to share the products that we think are most useful. If you use any of them or have any others to share, let us know in the comments. But now, let's get on with it. Keeping your camping space clean and tidy makes it a nicer place to be, but with space at a premium, this compact and, let's face it, low-cost dustpan and brush is an ideal solution. At just £1 more, the Octopus clothes dryer also folds to store, saving space, but maximises that drying space, ideal for swimwear and other small items when you can't put up a washing line. Another space-saving solution are these two folding colanders at £9 and £12. If you travel with kids, you'll know clutter can be inevitable, but this drawing case with a lap tray is a great way to keep kids occupied while travelling or on site. More and more people are moving to electric induction hobs, especially when on hookup. At just £45, this is a great way to try it out, and there's also a double hob option at just £80. Chopping boards are useful themselves but can be repurposed. We've used one as a small table, and this one we use to neaten up our coffee and kettle area, giving us extra space with the addition of a couple of containers under it. When it comes to containers, Ikea is a great place for whatever size or shape you need. You may have noticed our shelves in some of our video intros, but did you know they were just £3 each? And simply stained to match the interior. Before we take a look at even more great items from Ikea, this video is brought to you thanks to our friends at Stealth Outdoor. If you're looking for an affordable yet comfortable, practical, fully equipped and very cool looking camping solution, check out their range of lightweight adventure caravans, off-road trailer tents, roof tents and camper units. We feel these bring the desirability of a campervan with the practicality of a caravan. So discover your freedom to explore by visiting stealthoutdoor.co.uk. Loose and dirty shoes are never nice to have laying around, especially in a small space. This light plastic storage rack keeps them contained and neat, taking up little space, including two separate units that can be arranged in multiple ways. Need an additional seat or a table to pop your cocktail on? These stools can double as both. If you prefer something more stylish than plastic, this wooden stool serves the same purpose. If you use your phone or tablet as a TV, then with a number of different mounting options that you can pick from, there is sure to be one that suits. When it comes to lighting for the outdoors, Ikea have a huge range of functional or decorative, battery, rechargeable and solar lights to pick from. We love our electric candles that add some lovely ambience without the worry of a real flame, and with rechargeable batteries installed, they can be recharged from USB. While we're talking ambience, a bit of greenery can brighten up a van, be it easily maintained fake plants or nearly as easily maintained real plants. There are a lot to pick from. Whether it's to keep warm, protect furniture or just to change the colour scheme, with blankets and throws in all shapes and colours, you're sure to find something you like. We can't forget the iconic Ikea blue bag, from storing equipment, carrying laundry, dirty dishes, your clean clothes when going to the shower or even shopping. They are pretty indestructible and at 75p a bit of a bargain. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, if you have any questions or feedback, please pop them in the comments below. If you find the video useful, please like, share and consider subscribing.